If you need to insert a document title in LibreOffice Writer, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to add the title field into your document so it can display the document title automatically. This is useful for creating professional documents, templates, reports, and files that need dynamic information inserted right where you want it. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. First, open LibreOffice. If you're starting fresh, look to the left side under Create and click Write a Document. If you already have a file open, you can use that document instead. Once your Writer document is open, click into the area where you want the document title to appear. This is important because the title field will be inserted exactly where your cursor is placed. Now go up to the top menu and click Insert. From the drop-down menu, hover over or select Field. After that, click More Fields. This will open the Fields window where LibreOffice lets you insert different types of document information. Inside the Fields window, look for the Document tab. Click on it and you'll see several document-related field options. From there, select Title. Once Title is selected, click Insert. LibreOffice Writer will now place the document title field into your document at the cursor position you chose earlier. And that's it. Your document title field has now been added to LibreOffice Writer. If the title changes later in the document properties, this field can update automatically, which makes it a very handy feature for keeping your documents organized and professional. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification so you don't miss the next LibreOffice tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.